We're at Hacienda Petac in Merida, Yucatan. It's a very warm day. It's about 99 degrees. You know, late May, hot month, but we're happy, we're healthy, and we're going to show you how to make our delicious Flan de la Casa. Flan de la Casa is a very simple recipe, and I imagine that you have the ingredients at home. The ingredients that you're going to need, first of all, a mold, a round pan or a heart-shaped pan, an oval-shaped pan, and that pan, you're going to put the sugar in and a little bit of water. We'll explain more. But, and that melts down into a nice caramel that she started. Okay, you're gonna need coconut milk and heavy cream, eggs, and a little bit of vanilla. All right, so she has started to do the caramelizing. I just want to show you a little bit. Sugar and water. Start with a cold pan, a medium flame, a cup and a half of regular granulated sugar, and a little tablespoon or a tablespoon and a half of water. That helps the process. And now you melt it down and you want to turn it into a nice, little bit bubbly, dark brown caramel. Okay, so she's heating it up and getting it nice and caramelized. I'll tell you while she's doing that, the actual ingredient list: 5 fresh eggs, a can of sweetened condensed milk, the whole can. This is a small can. This can is 387 grams, okay, and not evaporated milk, sweetened condensed milk. We've made our own coconut milk, a cup of coconut milk, but if you don't have coconuts or the patience to make your own coconut milk, you can easily get, and I'm sure you can find, even organic coconut milk. Not coconut water, coconut milk, and good quality vanilla extract, okay? You can get good Mexican vanilla extract. Okay, so get all those things lined up when you're going to make your flan. 5 eggs, fresh eggs, okay? A big, large bowl, because you're gonna whip the eggs up and then add the other ingredients to it. Okay, once that's good and caramelized and it's almost all the way there, you want to get it nice and caramelized, and está listo, ¿no? Okay, puede mostrar la gente. Okay, so here you want to she had it bubbling a little bit, y pueden mostrar ellos la manera así. Okay, so quiere la otra. So you just move it around so that the caramel coats the inside of that pan, okay? About halfway up the side of the pan is just perfectly fine. Almost there. Your oven, you want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, okay? Perfect. Okay, so it's about halfway up. So she's gonna let that sit now, and she's gonna start on heating this up. Maybe Great. All right, so she's got her eggs here, and she's gonna start beating it. There you go. This is the whole can, the entire can of that sweetened condensed milk. Mientras tú hagas. You just want to make sure that they're well blended. y la leche. La crema. The coconut milk. And now the cream, the heavy cream. This is heavy cream. It's a nice, rich flan. Oh, that's gonna be good. You know, a friend of mine told me about in Italy, the way they make their flan, to their caramel, to their sugar, instead of water, or maybe in addition to a little water, they add amaretto. You know, maybe we could add a little bit of Kahlua to our caramel the next time. That's basically how we make our cajeta. Our cajeta is made with sugar, water, and Kahlua. Sugar, milk, and Kahlua. Okay, okay, yeah. So it's pretty easy. That's basically pretty simple, wouldn't you say? Okay, now very important. You have to have another mold. This is a baño Maria. A little left, about a quarter of the way up this mold, up to about here, we have water. She's putting the tin foil, you know, not very tight, but enough, onto the other mold that has the flan ingredients in it. And she'll put it in here, and then we'll bring it over and put it in the oven. 350-degree oven for an hour. Okay. Wait a minute. Okay, so here you see, you just plunk it in there for an hour. Okay. Now we're going to show you how easy it is to take it out once it's finished. We made another one earlier today. I think that's how they do it. Okay, so it's very easy to do this. You take just a simple butter knife, you run the butter knife around, see how beautiful that is? See? Around the edge to make sure that there's nothing stuck to it. Get out of her way. Quick flip of the wrist. Zoom. Yes. All right. Ta-da. See, and you still have some of the caramel left. Look at how gorgeous that is. See that? And this caramel is a nice, rich brown color. And you know, we're even gonna try it. Wendy and I are gonna have a piece because that's what you should do. You should eat it. We let it cool off, okay? Wow, that's annoying. Oh yeah. And a little more caramel on top. Oh, I get to try it, taste test it. That's so good. I'm so glad I don't have a sugar problem. But anyway, enjoy. It's very easy to do, you know, at home. It's not hard at all. Eggs, milk, coconut milk. Eggs, coconut milk, heavy cream, sweetened condensed milk, and vanilla extract. Beat it all up, you know, put it together, put it in your mold, and put it in the oven at 350 for an hour. And I guarantee you're gonna have a fabulous dessert any time of year. Enjoy, and we hope to see you again soon.